the spring light. She's so soft and warm in my arms. I tune into the scene, my hands are resting on her shoulder. When we're dancing so soft and slow, we need the ecstasy, jealousy, the comedy of love. Like Cary Grant and Callis once before. Give me more tragedy, harmony of fantasy.
I do believe you.